Today's video is all about my Choi-ae. What is Choi-ae, you might ask? Choi-ae is used to describe something that you love the most. Today's video is all about my Choi-ae, which is tteok-bokki. Tteok-bokki is my favorite meal from Korean culture, and it's something that I have continuously loved no matter the season, no matter the time of the year. This is now winter in South Africa, which means it's really chilly and it's cold, and there's nothing that I want more than a really cozy warm bowl of tteok-bokki. So come along with me and let's make tteok-bokki together. Tteok-bokki is a really special food to me because it's one of the very first Korean dishes I was ever introduced to. Now when I eat tteok-bokki, it takes me back many years before today and reminds me of the beautiful times that I've had with this culture, from listening to K-pop to traveling Seoul, all the way to spending time with family and friends that I love so much. This is a meal that has brought me close to the culture as well as me closer to the community in large. Today I am going to learn alongside you how to make tteok-bokki with my very good friend So-yeon Bang. And here is...
Hello, my name is So-yeon. Today I'm going to teach you how to make tteok-bokki with challenge.